hiccup rendezvous between Haitham and Sarah. Yeah. It's about our rendezvous.
Yeah, the misfortunes, the opportunities, the lack of opportunities, the meeting, the promises, and then just like COVID happening and nothing happening for a few years.
First time we worked together.
Success.
Yes.
No, we just exchanged sketches and then we started developing each other's sketches as well. So it was like a ping pong of ideas until we arrived to like the idea that we love.
This character is called Lola and the other one is Mimi. And I really like Mimi's ass. And just on top of the ass there's like this weird creature. That's maybe my favorite detail. What about you, Haitham?
The branches in orange, because I think they take the black lines and create some sort of a bond between the characters and the elements. So I really enjoyed like making them and developing them as we go.
So come and check it out yourself.